Guys, welcome back again to my channel. Still your guy Prince TV. I told you guys any updates that is on board, I will always come here and drop it for you guys so that you will know what is going on. That is why I say subscribe and put your notification bell so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first one to be notified. There is this lady that have come out in the parliament trying to say that the migrants who are confirming here that is dangerous to the Italian, you understand, that is dangerous to Italian, that they still have this coronavirus much around, that they don't have to like accept migrants to be coming in Italy again, that they should stop all those rescuing of migrants. You understand, this woman was saying all these things in the parliament. Even people were like shouting at the background of the video, you understand. So the woman was like saying that they should stop all these migrants, that this is not the issue of being racist, that this is the issue of being is the issue of being like trying to stop this migrant because they have urgency of this coronavirus of sanitaria, you understand. So this is what this woman was trying to explain. For those of you who have not seen the video,
ora, la mancanza di una politica di flussi e dell'immigrazione controllata ci sta mettendo nuovamente tutti in pericolo. Siccome stiamo uscendo da questa situazione di emergenza, e non sapete come mantenere la poltrona, allora importate il Covid. Guardate, non è una questione di razzismo, ma è una questione di buon senso e di sicurezza sanitaria pubblica. Il caso delle fughe di migranti da Mantea, di Jesolo, di Caverzere, di Gualdo Cattaneo e di Taranto e tanti altri denotano l'irresponsabilità del vostro governo.
Colleghi,
andate in Europa a chiedere fondi, professando la bellezza del nostro paese e l'importanza del turismo per una ripresa economica, e poi nei fatti fate scelte che rovinano l'immagine del nostro bel paese all'estero e fate scappare i turisti.
So guys, that is the video where the woman was demonstrating in all these things. So guys, that is that. So let's go to the major reason why we are here. We're going to talk about this Chita Dinansa. So without wasting time, let's go straight to the another news of Chita Dinansa. We have another update here. I said any updates that come around, I'll make sure I come here and drop it for you guys. We all know about this citizenship that they do pay here in Italy. That is the Chita Dinansa. The government have already tried to like add some migrants who have a permesso di soggiorno at least from 1 year to 2 years, so that these migrants can also we can also benefit from this Chita Dinansa. So guys, we are going to read everything here. It's been written in Italian, but we are going to try and read this and know how it all. Il reddito di cittadinanza andrà anche agli stranieri con permesso di soggiorno breve. So this place is trying to say that this reddito di cittadinanza is going to extend to migrants who are here who have a short time permit, like 2 years, 1 year document, that these people will have to partake on this cittadinanza. So guys, let's read forward and try to understand more. Il reddito di cittadinanza deve essere riconosciuto anche ai cittadini stranieri titolari di permesso unico di lavoro di durante annuale o biannuale o di permesso di soggiorno di almeno 1 anno. So this place is trying to say that someone who have a permesso di soggiorno at least for 1 year or 2 years document can apply for this cittadinanza, at least a document that states that is above 1 year. You can use this kind of document to apply for this cittadinanza. So guys, let's try to read forward and know more. A sostenere questa nuova orientamento è una ordinanza del Tribunale di Bergamo con cui si rimette alla Corte Costituzionale la questione costituzionale dell'At 3C1 4/2019, la normativa che ha introdotto il reddito di cittadinanza. So it's trying to say that this law was being passed by Court of Bergamo. This law was being passed by the Court of Bergamo. That is what this place is trying to explain, and with the articles, the numbers, everything is there. So guys, let's try to read forward and make this thing short. A parere del giudice, la norma voglio articolo 2, 3, 31, 38 e 117 1 della Costituzionale, in particolare si legge l'ordinanza di remissione. So guys, I'll try to like stop it in this place, let me try to explain everything so that you guys can understand very well. So this cittadinanza, they have now made it in the fact that if you have a document that is above 1 year, if you have documents of 1 year, 2 years, you can go and ask for this cheetah denouncer. Where can you go and ask for this cheetah denouncer? You can go to your Patronato, you can go to CAF and try to ask about this cheetah denouncer. Then you will know the response they will give to you there, because this is what the update is all about. This is what they brought up as an update for Stranieri, for migrants here in Italy. So you who have a 2 years document, you who have a 1 year document, especially people you're working with it, so you can go and apply for this cheetah denouncer. Is very much important. So before, you know, they make this cheetah denouncer to be that only people who have arrived 10 years in this country, all those kind of things, that can apply for this cheetah denouncer. But now, because of Bergamo, they have tried to make everything to be that people who have, they have to consider migrants who have documents, or at least a 1 year document, permit of stay, 2 years permit of stay, 5 years, all this kind of stuff. You can go and try to apply for this cheetah denouncer. So guys, I said let me bring this update to you people so that you can still understand everything that is going on. As I told you, always try to subscribe to this channel, and then you share out this video to other people so that they can benefit as well what is going on here in Italy. So because they said if you don't get the information, you might not know how it happened. You understand? I know many of you have had this already, but there are some people who don't have the opportunity to go and, you know, like search all this information. That is why we have people who can come and report all this kind of news so that you guys can be updated and know what is happening. So please guys, try to subscribe to this channel and then try to share out my video. Hit that like button. It does not take anything. If you hit the like button, that shows that okay, what I'm doing, you guys love it. So please guys, help me try to hit that like button so that I will know if what I'm doing is right or not. You understand? So guys, try to hit that right button. I know that what I'm doing is right because I'm giving you guys the current news that what is happening. You understand? So try to hit that like button as well. You put your notification bell whenever I upload my video. You be the one to be notified. As we are doing the video here, as we are making the video, doing everything here, if there is a way that you don't like the way we present the video, also try to keep your comments. Always try to keep your points of view. Whatever you think about my videos, always try to put it there so that I will know how to immerse things and how to, you know, reshuffle things. So guys, you will stay blessed till next time again. We'll still meet together. Ciao tutti. Ciao, ciao, ciao.